Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Mr. 3D. So in today's video I'm going to announce my Discord server for Blender, Unreal Engine 5 and some other 3D programs as well. Mostly for Blender and Unreal Engine 5. So let me show you what you will find in my Discord server. So as you can see, the first channel is called Announcements channel. In this channel I will tell you what I'm going to do next. And on my Works channel I will show you what I'm doing right now. And on rules, make sure to follow all the rules so that you won't get banned or warned from my server, as well some boosts so you can stay up to date with my content on YouTube, Patreon, CG Trader, Instagram and Gumroad as well. From here under General tab, you can find some normal talks, showcase your renders, arts, memes. If you want any kind of help, you can ask me right here. I am here to help you. And some other software talks as well. You can also join the stage. This is a new feature of Discord, and some music as well. Once I reach 200 members on my Discord server, I will announce monthly giveaways and monthly competitions as well, in which I will give away my exclusive project files to my members who worked really hard on those to win giveaway and competitions. So let me know what you guys think about this, and if you're new here, it's gonna be amazing for you to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notifications so that you won't miss the next video or the next update. Until then, see you guys again with the next video.